how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. If you are having this issue on your Snapchat application, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your App Store on your device and search for Snapchat and see if any updates is available. If there you see update button, then hit on the update to update the Snapchat application. Once you do that, if your problem is still not solved, then go through the settings, search for Snapchat application and see if background app refresh is turned on or off. If it is turned off, then turn it on. To turn it on, you have to make sure that your device is not in low power mode. First of all, turn off low power mode and then toggle on background app refresh. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.